the world. Secretary bats. The name of secretary bats in the list of the most unique bats of the world is very important because along with its name, this bird looks a bit different. Secretary bats are also called killer queens, and that's because they can defeat king cobra. If noticed, half of the body of the secretary's bat looks like a hawk and half like a stork. Their body is brown in color and the wings are black and white. The legs of this bird are the longest among all the bats as well as are quite strange. Looking at his feet, it seems as if it is wearing long black socks, due to which it looks like this while walking, like a model is moving in full attitude. Green peafowl. Peacock is also one of the most beautiful bats in the world, whose number is slowly decreasing now, and this is the reason: market demand for its beautiful wings. You must have seen peacocks mostly in blue color, but there is also a kind of peacock of white and green color which looks quite beautiful to see. A green colored peacock is found in Southeast Asia. It is completely green in color and looks quite beautiful. Victoria crowned pigeon. This beautiful blue bird is named Victoria crowned pigeon because it has a very beautiful crown on its head, like Queen Victoria has a crown on its head. Similarly, this bird also has a crown on its head, due to which it has been given such a name. The crowned pigeon is the most beautiful looking bird in the species of pigeon, which is also called the king of pigeons. The blue and light brown colored pigeon has red eyes, which makes it even more attractive. Also, its feathers have different colors, which makes it quite different from other birds. The bird is mostly found in New Guinea and its surrounding areas. Christmas Island frigate bird. Christmas Island frigate bird does not seem to be much special to see, but it definitely comes in the species of rare birds. These special types of birds are black and brown in color. Apart from this, the front part of male birds in red in color. So if we talk about the same female birds, then their front part is of white color. Male birds inflate their red colored part completely to attract female birds to them. These birds use their large beak to hunt. If we talk about their weight, then they can be up to 1.5 kg and the size increases to about 45 inches. Female birds in the species are slightly larger than male birds due to changing weather and mining. The number of Christmas Island frigate birds is increasing rapidly. If this continues, then soon this species may become extinct. The greater sage grouse. The greater sage grouse looks a bit strange, but is one of the rare species. It is the largest bird in North America, which is also known as the grouse bird. In an adult greater sage grouse, everything from glass to feathers is soft. The front part of this bird, which looks light brown and black, is quite different from other birds. Until the year 2000, the greater sage grouse was called the grouse bird, but after this a special species was created which was named the greater sage grouse. If you want to see this great bird, then it is possible only in North America. Super bird of paradise. Super bird of paradise. This name has been given to this bird because it looks very beautiful. Although this bird is completely black in color, there is also a bright blue color under its neck, which opens completely while dancing and looks very beautiful. Male birds of this species dance with their wings open to entice female birds and are famous for their art. Male and female birds of this species looks very different, but male birds are more attractive. The species of this bird found in New Guinea is declining very fast, due to which it is very difficult to see them. Orange bellied parrot. Orange bellied parrot is considered to be one of the rarest birds on this whole earth. These parrots of blue, green and orange color are called orange bellied parrot because they have orange color on their belly area. The length of this particular parrot is up to 20 centimeters. This orange bellied parrot uses a kind of buzzing sound to communicate with another parrot. Found mostly in Tasmania, these birds spend their time in Southeast Australia during the winter season. Superb lyre bird. The superb lyre bird is one of the most unique and beautiful birds in the world, found in Australia. This bird is famous because of its many specialties, one of which is its long tail is the second, the art of imitating it, and the third is singing. Perhaps you must be thinking that copying and singing is the job of a parrot, so it is not one of the species of parrot, but here you are wrong. This is a kind of bird that looks like a little pigeon. This bird is mostly seen singing songs, but perhaps because of this art, superb lyre bird is now in trouble and their name has come on the IUCN red list, because when this bird sings, it is easy for the hunter to reach it. Also, the reason for the gradual extinction of these birds is that they mostly live on land. Because of this, they die by being buried under human vehicles. 2.junin grebe. The bird named 2.junin grebe is also known as 2.junin flightless grebe. This red-eyed bird, easily recognizable in black and white, is the rarest bird in the world. You can guess how rare it is to see this bird from the fact that its population is now less than 250, found mostly in Junin Lake in west central Peru. 2.junin prefers to live in grebe lakes and it's rarely found along the seashore. To save this rare species of 2.junin grebe, the government keeps taking various initiatives, especially in Junin Lake. Apart from this, hunting and fishing are also prohibited in this lake so that this rare species of 2.junin grebe can be saved from extinction. Kakapo. The bird named kakapo is also called an owl parrot. Why is it called that? Maybe you must have understood by looking at it. It is a bird whose face looks like that of an owl, but its color is green like that of a parrot. Found in the dense forests of New Zealand, this kakapo bird is considered to be the heaviest bird in the species of parrots. Their length ranges from about 22 to 25 inches. The special thing about kakapo is that this bird does not fly but walks by hopping, due to which food is made for the most of the predators. Due to the jumping of this bird, their number remains only about 211. The government of New Zealand continues to run many programs to save these birds. Along with this, the people there also help the birds a lot. If the people here see an injured kakapo, they get it treated. They also give them food and water.